solenoid and how much magnetic induction is established when current passing through the solenoid. Now, in this class, we want to discuss about toroid. Toroid. When current is passing through the toroid, how much magnetic induction is established by it? That derivation we want to discuss in this class. Toroid. It is especially used to prepare the artificial magnets. Solenoid and toroid both are used to prepare artificial magnets. Solenoid is used to prepare the Bohr magnets or horseshoe type of the magnets. But toroid is used to prepare the ring magnet, which is used in the sound boxes or which is used in the speakers, loudspeakers. Okay. Now, what is the toroid? Infinite length of solenoid in the form of a ring. Infinity length of a solenoid in the form of a ring is called toroid. See, we know this is the solenoid. Okay, you bend this solenoid in the form of a ring is called toroid. If we can bend, we can get this shape. You know the initial point? No. You know the final point? No. We doesn't know the initial point and final point. That's why infinite length of solenoid in the form of a ring is called toroid. Solenoid is like this. You can bend it in the form of a ring is called toroid. Okay. This is the toroid. When current is passing through the toroid, which one? When current is passing through the toroid, magnetic field is established along its axial line. This dotted line is the magnetic field. When current passing through toroid, magnetic field or induction is established along its axial line, which is located inside it. This dotted line is the magnetic field. This is the magnetic field, tangential direction, tangential direction, tangential direction. Now let us take a small element dl on the uniform magnetic field. Let us take Ampere's law. In the Ampere's law, we take a small portion in the magnetic line or magnetic field. So, Ampere's law, closed integral B dot dl is equal to mu 0 I. Toroid has number of turns. So, closed integral B dot is equal to n mu 0 I. What is n? Number of turns. Okay, next step. Remove the dot product. When dot product is removed, what we can get? Cos theta. Integral B dl cos theta is equal to n mu 0 I. Here, B is in this direction. dl also in this direction. Here, B and dl are lies in the same direction. So, theta is equal to how much? 0. Substitute in the place of theta as 0. B dl cos 0 n mu 0 I. Cos 0 is how much? 1. Cos 0 is how much? 1. So, integral B dl is equal to n mu 0 I. Okay, B is uniform magnetic field. Take outside. B closed integral dl is equal to mu 0 ni. Mu 0 ni. Right. Integral dl is equal to 2 pi r. Why? dl is the small portion on the magnetic field which is in the form of a circle, which is in the form of a circle or a ring. dl is a small portion on the circle. If we integrate, what we can get? Circumference of the circle. What is the principle for circumference of circle? 2 pi r. Integral dl is equal to 2 pi r is equal to n mu 0 I. Then b is equal to n mu 0 I by 2 pi r. Okay. Now what is the magnetic induction by the toroid? The magnetic induction by the toroid is n mu 0 I by 2 pi r, means here b proportional to I, b proportional to 1 by r. Okay, this is about the toroid. Right, these two are important maybe for 2 marks or 4 marks. So